Hello friends, a very good morning to you all. Welcome and namaste to the oliveboard family. How are you? I am here with a very important discussion. So today we are going to discuss how we can maximize our score in quant section. So this is the high time to discuss about this, right? I hope you have complete, or we can say you have completely completed or thoroughly completed your syllabus. You are done with your syllabus, and you have done lots of research over this, because you have cleared the tier 1 exam, right? And there is a lots of confusion, there is a lots of questions coming in mind, how I can maximize my score. I am doing everything, but still I am lacking somewhere. So don't worry, it happens. If you are having this feeling, it means you are trying and you are at the right platform. So you must have a piece of advice from the experts. You must take advice from the experienced students, right? So this phase, this time period is very much crucial. You have to stay positive, and you have to do, or you have to be active in all sense, right? You are not supposed to be stereotype, and don't be stick to a something or some special strategy. Don't try to look for a special strategy. Just be volatile, be new, feel fresh in your approaches, right? See, winners do not do the different things. They do the same things differently. So whatever you have studied till now, just focus on this in a different way. Try to brush up. I am going to tell you what are the areas, what are the key points which you have to focus on, which you have to ponder on, right? Don't be too much burden. Don't create lots of burden on your mind, right? Just feel light, and set a proper routine for all subjects. Today I am going to talk about the quant section, right? How you can maximize your score in the quant especially. See, quant is a subject, or quant is a, we can say, field in which you can excel up to the highest level, right? You can reach the peak, or we can say you can touch the peak. Means you can score 90 out of 90 if you follow certain guidance, if you remember, or you follow the step by step organized method and plans, right? So I'm going to discuss about this. So let's move ahead. See, my dear friends, the first point is you must have a good command over the complete syllabus, right? Complete syllabus means complete. Whatever syllabus it is going to be asked. See, you have done, you have make it through tier 1, and you want to make it through the tier 2, or I'm sure, I'm 100% confident you can do, right? But still there are some advice from my side. Just focus first. You have good command over the complete syllabus. Complete means complete syllabus. Means nothing must be left. You shouldn't have any area which is untouched, right? You shouldn't have any doubt in your mind. You have not touched this section, right? The every section must be done by you completely, right? In a very systematic, well manner. Next, identify the most repeated concepts, right? Whenever you are going to take mock tests, right? So what you have to do in that, and which mock test you are going to practice nowadays, that is most important, right? So you have to identify the most repeated sections, right? Because till now at this stage, after the crossing tier 1 exam, right, and preparing for the tier 2, it means now you have reached a level at which you must know which are the most repeated sections, which are the most repeated topics For example, you get the questions from the relative speed frequently. There is no doubt in this, right? You get the questions of divisibility. There is no doubt in this. In number system, you will get the questions of divisibility. This is for sure. So these are the areas which you have to focus, right? What new can be, right? Because the topics which are frequently asked, you will get some variation, some innovation, or you will get some extra information from those questions, right? Not from any new topic you are getting the questions, right? You will get the different question, or you will get the mixed question. See, if you focus on last 3 to 4 years tier 2, right? Or I can say that you can focus the last 5 to 6 years, right? So in last 2 years the pattern is changed. Before that the pattern was different, right? So there were 100 questions from the quant section, right? So you can focus on that, right? How the questions have been asked in different exam, right? So the variation comes, the examiner is going to just give you mixed concept question, right? So that makes the difficulty level, right? So you have to focus, or you have to identify the most repeated topics, right? Then take MOOCs, right? So which MOOCs you should take? You should take the MOOCs topic wise, right? Just go the topic wise, then section wise, arithmetic mock test and advanced mock test, right? Or you can go group wise also, right? The group which belong to percentage, the group which belong to ratio, the group which belong to time and work, pipe and cistern, the group which belong to speed, time and distance, right? So group wise you can practice for the mixed questions, right? Then full length test. Then you should practice for the mock tests which are having arithmetic as well as advanced section, so that you can control your mind, right? See, this is all about balance, right? At this level, what you need, you need to create a balance at your mind level. You have to manage your mind, right? You are not supposed to manage the content, right? Many students, many teachers, or many experts says that you must have to focus on this. My dear friends, the thing is that at this stage you have to focus on your mind. You have to control your mind. You have to create a balance in your mind. Stay true to yourself, right? Stay true to your God. Stay true to your family, right? When you are true to yourself, it means you are going to analyze yourself in a very fair manner, right? So take the test topic wise, section wise and full length net, and identify at each level of taking test whether they are easy, moderate and tough question. You must be able to identify at this stage which are easy question, moderate questions and tough questions. You are not going to walk, you are not going to stroll on a unknown path, right? You are going to walk on a known path. Only then speed and accuracy will come. So the next point is speed and accuracy. So before jumping to the speed and accuracy and before jumping to the syllabus part, I would like to say that after covering all this, right, don't forget important, that is you must have a good command over calculation, right? Many students, they are good at concept, they are very good at doing questions, right? They have learned short tricks, right? They are through with all logical approaches, they are through with all exam approaches, but they are feeling weak at calculation level. They are afraid, they are scared of calculation. So my dear friends, you must not be scared of calculation. You must have good command over the calculation. How you are going to take the calculation, right? How you are going to attempt the questions, whether there is a decimal as well as percentage as well as mixed fraction, right? How you are going to attempt, right? So everything depends on your attitude, on your way of picking the questions, right? So this is the quantitative aptitude syllabus. So you can focus, you can divide your time, right? So number system, divisibility, LCM, SCF, simplification, arithmetic, percentage, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest. You all know this, right? Algebra, right? So what are the strategy? Master basic concept and practice fast calculation. See, I told you, master what? Master basic concept and practice fast calculation. That is most important. Then solve concept based, right? And apply application level questions and use short tricks where applicable. So you must have good command over the short tricks, right? Nothing must be left out of your reach, right? Your reach must be at everywhere. You have a good command at each and everything. You must say that I have overview and I am not overconfident. I have a balance at this level. I have done everything. I have done it peacefully. There is no hurry in my mind. I am not hasty. I am very much confident. I am standing still just to practice, right? Only then you can say that you are at the right direction. So algebra next is focus on factorization techniques, right? So in algebra we have certain types, right? So just go through different types and just analysis how we can merge two and more than two types, right? And how concept of algebra, how the conditions of algebra is being used in the trigonometry, right? So you must be aware about this. So moving next, covered algebra, then geometry. Geometry is very important, right? And very interesting subject, but it scares, it gives fear to the students, right? The student, when they go to attempt the geometry questions, though they get confused, right? Whether we have experienced in tier 1 exam, right? Or recently conducted exam, right? A student got confused just reading the information. We are not able to understand because 2 or 3 concepts are being merged in geometry, right? So we must analysis or see the questions of geometry from outside, not from inside. If you are very much immersed in the concept, so you will create lots of dilemma and confusion in your mind. So just keep yourself aside, right? Don't immerse or don't involve into the questions, right? Just keep yourself outside and just see that what information question is giving you, right? Focus what are the given information and what the question is demanding. So you have to focus on two things, right? Or in each case, right? What are the questions is having and what is it is demanding, what information it is going to supply to you, right? And what is its demand, what the question is asking, what the question is targeting. You have to focus on that. If you are focusing on that, it means your energy level is at different level, your energy level at next level, right? You are very much confident. So next, trigonometry, I already told you, data interpretation. Don't skip this, right? Many students skip because they think that who are going to read? My dear friends, you are the only one who is going to read, right? We get very simple question from the DI section, right? So don't ignore it. Next, coordinate geometry. Yes, still there is a very few question from the coordinate section, coordinate geometry, but don't leave this, right? Many students just leave that. They think that they are going to be selective study. No problem. Selection, you are going to take the selection. Selection means picking. That is important. Everyone knows selection means picking. Picking the things. Picking what? Picking the approach, right? Pick the right approach. Which is the right approach? When you have to go concept wise, when you have to go short trick wise, when you have to go logically, when you have to go by option approach, when you have to follow this, that, when you have to follow this, when you have to follow that. When you have to follow the unit approach, right? When you have to follow the divisibility approach. Whenever you have to mark the tukka. So everything must you know, right? You must have command on all these things. You must have every feather in your basket, right? You must have every kind of flavor in your mind. You must be ready for each and every task, right? Whether it is easy, moderate and tough. Okay, my dear friends. So don't miss any topic, right? Whether it is coordinate geometry, just do. Suppose you got 1 or 2 questions from the coordinator, who knows? No one knows, right? Because future is very uncertain. We can't predict the future 100%. We go for prediction because we are studying probability, right? In probability, we try to find the possibilities, right? We try to imagine the possibilities, but we cannot say that 100% sure this will happen, right? Whether you are selected or not, that is different matter. But how you are approaching, how you are taking the exam, that feeling is most important, right? So just enjoy that and take mock test regularly, right? Take mock test regularly. Then what are the key areas where you have to focus? Then set daily goal, right? Set daily goals. Every day morning you are waking up, take a breath deeply, decide your plan, take 5 to 10 or 15 minutes exercise, not more than that, right? Only take light exercise. Then after doing your routine work or routine job of daily, right? Fresh, then take nice breakfast, right? And then take plan. Then prepare a strategy, prepare a plan for the day, right? How you are planning your day, that is most important, because that is the energy which is going to inhale in yourself, right? That is going to boost the confidence. See, one said that a balloon is flying. A child is asking, Papa, Father, why it is flying? My balloon is not flying. This balloon is why flying? The father asked, this is not the balloon who is flying. This is inside the balloon which is making it flying. Got the point? So whatever you have, just embrace it completely so that you can be different, right? When you deal with this, you are different. Your approach is different, right? You are not fear. Just give up the fear. Don't sit on the shit. Right? What is shit? All rubbish. What will happen? I have to do. No, nothing. Just make the plan according to yourself. So set daily goals. Dedicate 3 to 4 hours to quant section, right? So this is my choice, right? If you feel comfortable, so you can give 1 or 2 hours. It's up to you, right? Next, short tricks. Make a note of short tricks and formulas, chapter wise. Create your own notebook, right? Create your own notebook so that you can quickly revise. Create a notebook, chapter wise. Number system, short trick, this. Percentage, short trick, this. Profit and loss, short trick, this. So do this on your own, right? So that while you will prepare the notes, you will be engaged, you will be immersed in that, you will live that. So that tricks will become yours, right? Next, error analysis. Then do the SWOT analysis, right? SWOT which was strength, weakness. Strength and weakness analysis. Do error analysis where frequently you are going to commit the mistakes. Identify those areas, whether it is calculation wise, whether it is ignorance wise. Sometimes your concept is very good, but you are reading the information, you are not giving proper glance to the information. Many times you are missing the information, that's why question is being wrong, right? So don't do that, okay? Then go balance speed and accuracy. Very, very important. You must have a balance with speed and accuracy. You know, speed. Whenever you get some unknown question, just keep it side. You must have stamina in your mind. If you are getting unknown question, you are not going to hit it. You will going to hit it in the last when you will get the time. Just seeing right, just keep it side. I have another questions, let me check whether it is good or not, right? Whether they are cup of my tea or not, okay? So then go for. And prepare a strategy for all type level, easy level, moderate level, tough level, and mix all together. Whether it is a variety of easy mocks, moderate tough, tough moderate, or all three together, right? So you have to focus on each and everything. So next point is last mock analysis, right? So when you are going to take mock, right? So mock analysis is very important. Mock analysis is very, very important. Analyze the mock, right? Identify your errors, identify your weak areas. Whenever you find your weak areas, right, then read concept carefully. Because if you are doing mistakes frequently in a particular section, it means the basic concept is lacking. So just go and read the basic concept clearly. Right? So this is all from my side. Don't be hesitate, just be peace, be at cool, because nothing is different. Everyone is same, right? You are getting everything in a same pattern. Topics are same, everything is same, right? Most probably you will get the moderate level exam, not very tough. Easy to moderate, it will vary, right? So last but not least, if you want to prepare and if you want to check your confidence, right? And see, it is always nice to be stick with a good person, right? To be associated with a plan which they are having systematic study, right? Whatever you have to need now, you have to do the practice. The more you practice, the more better you become. The more you practice, the more better you become. This is the level at which the more you practice, and nothing else, right? The Bruce Lee said once, be a water. We are all the vessels, right? So in whatever vessels we are going to put, we will take the shape, right? So be a water, be volatile, be fresh, right? So we have a plan for you. We are going to start a batch, right? Just click on the course section. So here you will get, see, sorry, just here, see, whenever you reach to the website, sorry for that. See, whenever you reach the website, just click the course, SSC and Railway, right? Then go to the course section, right? So in the third row, you will get English medium courses, right? So very first, that is selection batch, right? SSC CGL Tier 2 selection batch. This is going to be start from 11th of December. In this batch, we will have a discussion of mixed questions, section wise, group wise, and then complete thorough mocks from all sections, right? So we will have a quick and thorough revision, or we can say selection batch. In this batch you will get most curated questions, right, based on the latest pattern. So just after clicking on this you will get the each and every detail of this batch, right? So SSC CGL Tier 2 selection batch, English medium, right? Language is English, and this is going to start from 11th of December, right? So mark this date, right? So in this class you will get 70 plus hours of live class, practice session, and each and everything you will get which is needed right now, right? So this is all from my side, right? If you have not downloaded the app, so please download the app so that you can easily access the information, right? So okay, so this is our Telegram. If you have any query, so just WhatsApp on this number, right? So thank you guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind, all the best.